Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you very quick, not detailed, how to install the chiller system on an F80. So let's go ahead. This is your mounting point. You have to remove your little cooler. You use the same holes where the cooler sits. We supply you the hardware and the bracket. And then this left hose goes to the pump outlet, which sits right behind the radiator. And then this hose goes around right here to your intercooler. And then you have one low pressure and high pressure hoses that goes around to dust cover, comes below, goes through the hole to engine bay, and then high pressure is here, low pressure goes below the coolant tank, right behind the intercooler. And one thing you have to pay attention is you have on your OEM service ports, you have to remove these little valves. Make sure you remove these before you click these in. And then you have to service your AC through our service ports. It takes about 1.1 kilograms, and then you'll do your own testing to get it colder or less colder. Well, enjoy. Next is S58 and B58. Stay tuned, guys.